So funny, this is Dr. Jester. I want to talk to you about your revision on the Radical Islam assignment that you were reassigned to revise. The original instructions were to, well, number one, your document was too dependent on quoted sources. So what you were instructed to do is eliminate those quotes by revising. How do you revise? You need to summarize your source. So what I have discovered when I evaluated your document, that I have found two sentences revised. So this sentence right here, which was not originally in quotes, so you really didn't need to revise that. And then the first part of this sentence was revised. So those are the two revisions. The problem is all the other quotes that were originally in quotation marks, what you did was delete the quotation marks without revising the sentence. When you delete the quotation marks, you're basically saying, these are my words. This information is from the source, but my words are describing that information. So if this is indeed, as you originally said it was, a quote from the source, then we have another problem. The other problem is plagiarized. The text becomes plagiarized when you take the quotation out without revising the sentence. So I'm really in a quandary here. How to be equitable, but at the same time, you haven't followed the instructions and you've actually made the document worse because now we have to deal with another issue entirely. So what you needed to have done was revised some of these quotes into your own words, still cite the source as the location where this information can be found, but written in your own words. When just by taking the quotes out, that has exacerbated the issue. And we're going to have to discuss the rationale for why you chose to do that instead of revising the way you were supposed to. So I'm going to post this into the forum. I'm going to give a 0 grade for now. Until I hear from you, you'll need to respond to me within about 48 hours if you can. And just kind of give me some rationale for why this happened the way it did. And let's talk about that. You can call me. You can send me a text message. I can call you. Or you can post a response in the private forum, okay? Best of luck to you.